Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, I am going to be making a little bit of a different type of video. This is a new side hustle that I am currently doing and making money with. It's called TikTok Shop. And in today's video, I'm just gonna share with you how I'm personally making money with TikTok Shop. I believe that you can make $10,000 per month with this, and I'm not even joking, simply because it's currently 11 a.m. and I've already made over 500 bucks today so far. So I'm just doing the math on that, and 500 bucks a day times 30, that's 15K a month. It's absolutely crazy. I think TikTok Shop is like the new big thing that if you can actually get started, and I have a link below really diving into it and breaking it all down, and we have a community and a Discord where we're sharing our everything on there as well. So if you want to join that, the first 100 people who sign up, you can get a free trial. Check it out below, and I actually have 2 courses on there. Once you sign up, you'll get access to both of those, and I'm gonna release another course on there soon as well. But basically, if you don't know what TikTok Shop is, well, I'll just explain it to you guys and show you guys kind of what I'm doing, just so like you guys, I can explain it better on my computer. Okay, so I'm gonna sync up my computer here. But yeah, if you don't know me, if you don't know me, I am a YouTuber. This is my main page, the Rideshare Hub. I have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. I have another page as well where I actually talk about politics. You know, we're heading up into the election, so I have another page too where I have over 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. I have a couple other pages as well on YouTube, and basically if you know, I have another page here where I mostly talk about like real estate and stuff. I actually did buy my dream house from doing social media and doing all these little side businesses right now. I bought my dream house. Yeah, just so you can see. But I also do TikTok too. TikTok is like one of my other main things too right now. And honestly, like it's way easy to blow up and get more views on TikTok. I have 300K followers on TikTok. This video I just posted yesterday got 1.2 million views. This is not paid views. These are just views that I get from posting videos. And then I also have another TikTok page with 1.6 million followers. And these, you'll notice a trend. These are all like different genres of videos because I get so creative and I'm like, I need to do something new. Honestly, I just get bored. But yeah, right now, if you don't know what TikTok Shop is, it is a new thing that TikTok is doing in order to compete with Amazon, basically, and all these other you know, eBay and all this stuff. They're making it where you can shop on video. Basically, yeah, so somebody will be promoting like this lip gloss, and you can literally, while you're scrolling on TikTok, people will buy it. And so this is basically what I'm doing. This is Sakura Cosmetics. This is not my page, but I created a page similar to this. So I'm not promoting, like I wouldn't be promoting Sakura Cosmetics. Like I've done that too. It's fine, you can make money doing that. But I decided, instead of promoting other people's products, I'm gonna create my own brand. And you can just link products that other people, other manufacturers have created and kind of white label it. If you don't know what white labeling means, a lot of brands do that. It's just, private label versus white label. Private label is like your own specific custom product, and a white label is just like, oh, I'm gonna sell these coasters and I'm just gonna slap Dylan's coasters on it and boom, that's white label. Private label would be like if I designed the actual coaster and then, anyways, it's not really important, but basically white labeling, that's what I'm doing. So I created a TikTok Shop brand like this Sakura Cosmetics, except I'm doing women's fashion, and you can pull in products from different stores. And again, I have different companies, and I have it all linked below. And the craziest thing about all this, guys, is there's no startup cost to anything. It's free to make a TikTok Shop page. It's free to link products from other manufacturers, and it's free to post videos from your phone. This is like absolutely insane and mind-boggling. And It's so crazy to see. Like, I'll just show you guys the amount of notifications I'm getting right now. Look, I literally just got one 3 minutes ago. I'm selling, these are all orders that I'm getting within the past hour, 2 hours. I've gotten all these sales. I'm selling women's fashion. Like I said, that's kind of the niche I'm targeting. I just sold a dress. I sold another dress, jeans, dress, two dresses. Somebody bought 2 dresses, jeans, crop top. It's absolutely crazy, guys. But I'm like freaking out, and I'm like, I need to post a video because I want you guys to join the link below, and you're gonna join the membership, and you're also gonna help me too. So I'm kind of, you know, giving you guys some homework, because when you guys start your shop, I want to see how well you guys are doing and share screenshots of your page or whatever you want to do, and share links. And oh, one thing I really want to do, again, this is all brand new. I haven't even set up the Discord yet, but it should be up within the next couple of days. Once I have the Discord set up and everything, I want to kind of hack the TikTok algorithm, because I've been figuring it all out, my friends. I kind of want to hack the algorithm a little bit, and every time that you post a new product or a new video, you're gonna put the link in the Discord, and everybody in the Discord group is gonna go and like the video, comment on the video, and it's gonna go crazy. All of our shops, I swear, because the way this works, my friends, is yes, I do make some videos, but TikTok is like recommending these products to people who are on their phone. And how many people are, you know, how many users does TikTok have? I believe it's like 2 billion, 1 billion monthly active users. 1 billion people are scrolling on TikTok every single month. Like, people log, it's not just, oh, they've downloaded one time. These are monthly, these are active users. So these people, you know, your products will get recommended to them while they're scrolling. Or another cool thing too is that I just discovered is that, let's say somebody, you know, is gonna buy, they click on one of these products, the eyeliner. If you have your product could get recommended similar to, like, maybe you watching this video, there's similar recommended videos. They're doing that, but with other products. So if your product gets to the side, like, anyways, so again, I'll have the link below. We'll walk you through it all, and this is just what it looks like, just so you know we're on the same page. You should still get access to the free trial. You know, just try it out and join the group. I think you guys will honestly love it. And even if you stay on $4.99 per month for now, once you sign up, you will get locked in that price, because I will raise it eventually, obviously. That's just, you know, how it works. But yeah, I ended up buying my dream house down in Southern California, and anyways, I already went over that. I wanted to dive in and show you guys my numbers with TikTok Shop, and this is what I'm doing right now. And I believe I'm manifesting. I'm not manifesting it because I'm actually putting in the work, because I don't believe in people who are like, oh, I'm manifesting this, I'm manifesting that. No, you got to actually put in the work. In the last today I've made over 700 bucks so far, actually. Wow. So it's actually more than I thought. So and it's only 11 a.m. guys, it's 11 a.m. and I've already hit 700 bucks. So if I continue on this path, guys, of what I've literally just done before 11 a.m., 703.96 times 30 days. It's actually around like 30.5, because of, you know, some days have 31 days, so we'll average that in as well. You know, I want to be fully transparent. I could end up hitting 21,470 bucks in sales, right? And obviously you do control your profit margins. I'll just show you guys one of my orders real quick. This is me actually making the purchase, but I don't make a purchase unless somebody buys it. So anyways, I'll just dive into into that exact order, just because who cares? I want to be fully transparent with you guys and show you guys how it all works. So that was the dress, right, that I'm sharing with you guys. Yeah, so I paid $9.30 for the dress, and this is what, and the crazy thing about TikTok Shop is that they like cover the shipping prices, and they usually give discounts out to the shoppers. So look at this one, TikTok Shop shipping fee discount. So TikTok covered the price of shipping, so the customer got free shipping. I didn't have to pay for shipping. TikTok paid for the shipping. So the estimated, so the customer paid $23.92 after the discount I guess. I don't know how it all breaks down. I think I have to pay like 5 to 8% in commission, or just to TikTok for every sale. But anyways, I ended up getting $17.62 on that one item. So $17.62, as you can guys tell, I'm very much a numbers guy. 17.62 minus 9.3. So I made $8.32 profit on this one dress sale. And like you see, I'm getting tons of them. So if I sell, you know, I'm assuming, hopefully I'll be able to sell like 100 a day. Right now I'm selling already like 20. Look, I just got one more. Can't make this up, guys. I like, this is not Photoshop. Like I'm more freaking out than you guys are. So 9:30, so I made 8:32. Let's say, you know, I already got like 20 sales today, and it's barely 10 a.m. Let's say I get 100 sales a day. 832 times 100, obviously it's 832 bucks. Profit. That would be my profit margin. Again, that's a long-term goal because, you know, I'm not there yet. I'm not getting 100 sales a day yet, but I'm already getting 20. Like, I just started the page like 2 weeks ago. It's just crazy. And you know, a lot of people are saying, oh, TikTok's gonna get banned. TikTok's gonna get banned. It could get banned at the end of the year. Who cares? I'm gonna cash out before that. Okay, I'm gonna go hard for the rest of the year. And a lot of people are saying it's probably not going to get banned anyway because they're probably going to appeal it, and that could take years. So it's like, I'm not going to play the victim mentality and be like, oh yeah, TikTok's going to get banned, I'm not going to try it. It's working today, I'm going to work until it doesn't. 832. If I make that in profit per day, I could make $25,000 profit per month. Like, this is insane, guys. If the sky's the limit with this stuff. I mean, because it's the internet and because this is something new. You always want to hop on the new trend because right now, there's like, I started a women's fashion brand on TikTok. I set it up in like 2 days. And you can do that too. I explain it all in the link below. I set this up in 2 days. I started getting sales. And I ordered samples to make videos of. I ended up getting sales the first day I posted a video. It was crazy. And then it just started going up and up and up and up and up. And I'm peaking right now. I'm still at the top. So I don't know if it's going to keep going up or if it's going to plateau out or if it's going to go down. I don't know. Who cares? Even if I only make 1,000 or 2,000 bucks a month, that's crazy. It's absolutely crazy because I'm just doing it off my phone. So anyways, definitely I highly recommend doing TikTok Shop. Yes, you can become a TikTok affiliate and promote other people's products. Like if you're an influencer, you can promote like, you know, this dress if you're a female and you want to wear it, and then you get a commission off that, and then that other money goes to me. Or you can start your own brand, which I kind of think is the better thing to do, because then when other people promote your products, you don't have to do jack diddly squat. Okay, so I will definitely be making follow-up videos if you guys want, if you guys like this. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, I just wasted your time. But for me, I think I get excited about new opportunities. So thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts with this one. And yeah, scroll around on my website, the link below, and see if you want to join and just try it out for free. If not, no worries. You know, you cancel at any time and no hard feelings. But yeah, I'm really excited to get started. I mean, I am already started on this, but I'm excited if you get started on it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.